Hi everyone, it's Sandy here and welcome to my channel. I did say that my next video was going to be part 2 of a project that I was going to share with you guys using the My Mind's Eye Bliss collection that was sent to me by sassyscrapper.com.au, and I was halfway doing that project last night, and then I got a message from one of my other crafting friends that I do regular swaps with, and she is a Tanya Leigh here on YouTube, and she also has an Instagram page. I'll put all of the details down below for you, so you can check out all of her wonderful crafting projects as well. So she sent me a message asking me if I would like to be a Happymail Angel for another crafty friend of ours that we also do regular swaps with. She also has an Instagram account, and we are part of a Facebook group, Happy Mailers group. She is going through a bit of a rough time at the moment, and just a few things have just been happening to her private life at the moment, so she's a bit on a downer. And so Tanya asked me if I could just send her some happy mail to just cheer her up and lift her spirits up at this difficult time in her life at the moment. And I was just so excited, and I just said, yep, I will create something for her and put it in the post as soon as I can. So what I did was, I had made this, I actually made this a while back. I've covered her name, so in case she is watching the video, I didn't want her to see that it's for her. So earlier in the year, I did a Valentine's Day theme flipbook, which is this one here. If you haven't already seen it, I'll put also the link down below for you, and there's a tutorial on how you could make this as well. So what it is, it's a flipbook to cover your 4-pocket letter sleeve, which is one of these ones where you can insert your goodies and a embellish front part, so you could send off to your crafty friends or for your swap. So what usually what we do is we just send it off like this, but I wanted to make a cover for it, and then it had some more goodies on this page, and then you flip it over and you get your pocket letter, your 4 pockets in here. I think this is a 3x4 pocket size. So I did one of those, and in the tutorial I actually used this base to do the tutorial for this type of flipbook, and then I just put it to the side. And then when Tanya asked me if I could send a happy mail and be one of the angels for one of our crafty friends, I took this blank flipbook that I had made in the tutorial, and I just thought, I'm going to use this and I'm going to embellish it, add some goodies in here, and finish off the actual flipbook that was used in the tutorial. So this is what I made for her. I'm just going to show you the inside of the flipbook, just so you could see before I send this off to her, and I really hope this will cheer her up. And so I've added some envelopes in here, and this envelope was using this die I purchased online. I will put the details down below for you. I don't know if I could still find it, but if I do, yeah, I'll put the link down below. And it came with a few other little pieces that came with it, which you can cut this little piece of scallops rectangle piece, and that's like the note card that goes in the envelope, and there's a few other little bits and pieces in there. But I just used the heart-shaped and the just a note word die, and then you just sort of construct it, and then it creates a envelope. So that's the envelope with some goodies, and this will be her little note that I'm going to send to her, and I'll put some more goodies in there for her. And I've just added a altered paper clip that I had made just to keep the book closed. And then the next page is just an embellished page, which I fussy cut this gorgeous bicycle out. And then this is your 4-pocket letter page, and I've added these pockets that I've made, and I've loaded them up with some tags. And I have a tutorial as well on how you can make this using your 6x6 paper. So I've put that in there for her, so she could use them in her crafting projects. And there's another one here. That's that one. And then that's the back. I've embellished the back of the pockets, and there's some envelopes in there for her as well. So they go in there. And then the other two are just embellished 3x4 papers that I've cut apart. And behind those ones I've added some goodies for her to also use. And this is just your last page, and that's the pocket of that's just a cut apart from a 12x12 paper. The papers that I've used to make the flipbook is they're all different papers. I think it's by Die Cut with a View 12x12 paper pad, and this is also part of that a 12x12 paper pad that I just cut apart from the Die Cut with a View papers. And then I've added some of my handmade flag picks, and I use my mini envelope punch board by We Are Memory Keepers to make these little flags. I also have a video on how you can make these with your mini envelope punch board. And I also added some more of these die cuts, which are similar to this one here that I made at the back. And then I've also added for her a pack of paper flowers from Crafts For You, and she can use that. And these are just some of my handmade embellishments. And then I've just added a doily at the back just to decorate the back. So I really I hope she likes this, and I really hope this will brighten up her day with whatever she's with all the things that's going on at the moment in her life. And this is the good thing about Happymail. It's a great way to cheer somebody up when you gift a Happymail, and then they open up the mailbox and they see a pretty package, or just a package they know that may be coming to them, but not knowing what's inside. And I think it's just a great way to make your day and just open up and find out all the lovely goodies that come in there, and all the work that's been put in that the recipient has made for you. So this will be getting posted out to her tomorrow, and I really hope she likes it, and my thoughts are with her as she's going through all these things that's happening to her in her life. And if you want to see the tutorial on how I made this flipbook, it is pretty easy to make. I'll put all the details down below. So I do hope you enjoy this video project share that I've made for our dear friend of mine and Tanya's. And I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.